Welcome back guys to Trade Pro FX here again. It's been a minute, so today we will be trading accumulators as one of the traders asked me to do so. He asked me to show you how to trade accumulators once again, and let's reset the account to 10,000 so that you can understand well, and we select a good market like let's choose a more volatile market, volatility 100 index, and then the accumulators. When you just get into the Deriv Trader, the accumulators is on usually on the top, and we change the growth rate to 5. So what will we be using? We will be using the tools. So there is the drawing tools, and I want to use the horizontal tool, that one. And then what will I be using the horizontal tool to do? I will be identifying some zones of support. So like that is a support zone. When it breaks to the downside, I consider buying. I consider a buy. So that's a support. So I'll wait for that market to close that like that, and I purchase buy. So when you are trading, kindly always look for these support zones. So whenever you see the market cross or very near that support zone, since it respects, just consider a buy. So let me change the again and find for another support. You see we have won. We are 61.5 USD. Accumulators is among the best trading amongst the best trading contract types that you can make money using. So you see I have identified that as a support again, so I'll wait for it to close and I take a buy. Yes, like that. That's a good entry, and I can now purchase a buy. It has let me wait for it to close again. So it has touched. So not necessarily that it crosses. You can pick the trade whenever it touches that zone. So let me find for another zone. So when it crosses like there, so let me wait for it to go on the downside for confirmation like that. I purchase a buy. So for beginners, always ensure you wait for that that market to cross. When you are able to find for the support, and you know this line chart shows you a very good support and resistance, so you can wait for the recent support is what you should be using. So I'll wait again for another support zone. Yes, like there. Let me choose. Whenever the market now begins to go up, it creates a support zone like that one. That's a support. So whenever this market crosses just below, we can consider a buy. But for pro traders, whenever it just almost touches that zone, you can purchase a buy. It's very simple. Just the thing is just playing around with this market, how it's moving. When it creates a support, you just know that next it will continue buying when it touches that zone. So let's just focus and wait and look for more zones like that. It's a support zone, and maybe focus on maybe building this account to maybe having an account of a profit of 1,000, since accumulators is one of the best trades you could ever make. So just look for these areas very well. The recent support zones. So like there it is. When it crosses to the downside like that, I purchase buy, and I don't wait for the ticks to come to an end. You see it shows 245 ticks. I just sell whenever I get the profit I need. Don't wait for it to complete all those ticks. Just exit the market, sell it. This Deriv accumulators gives us the ability that you can sell before the market comes to an end or closes. So you see I'll just sell now because it has gone for 4 ticks at 129. So we are 44.51 USD currently, 0.15 profit. So our target is 1,000. It's very simple to use accumulators other than trading digits. That's what we always say here at Trade Pro FX. You find for that such a zone, you can see a look for that support. So I'll wait for that market to come back to this area, and whenever maybe I note it has created another support, I'll just move that drawing tool like there. Yes, then pick a buy since it has moved to the downside, and wait for the ticks, the best profit I need, so that I can exit from there. So at 545.73, aiming at 1000. So I'll again come find for another support. This strategy is very simple to kill the market using these accumulators trading. So this contract type of accumulators is one of the best you could ever use to trade. So you see we are at 94.5, so I'll just sell. We are at a profit of 675.03. so again I still wait. If you are noticing, I'm not waiting for the whole profit amount to reach or complete the 45 ticks, the maximum 45 ticks. I'm not waiting for that. I'm just picking my trades whenever I feel that profit is best for me, like that. Now at 69.61, so I'll just find for another support. We have around 200 and plus 240 something, so that's like 2 to 3 runs. So I'll just find for another support, very easy. And I told you guys like that, when we just purchase, since it has touched that support, don't hesitate by being given pressure by the social media people, especially if you are seeing many people using real accounts. Your focus is just having that knowledge to trade. You practice it on that demo account until you are fit best to go now to trade a real account. So I can exit there, so I don't want that much. We are at 1090, 960. That is 960 USD. Top almost 100 K in Kenyan shillings. So you see, so it has crossed again. I can purchase a buy so that we can reach our target for the day. And this is very simple trading accumulators. So I guess I have answered our fan who asked about how to trade accumulators at 1,000 plus profit. And next I'll also show you another strategy